How to fix Facebook storage not uploading on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Facebook storage not uploading on Android phone. First thing, just try to restart your phone and then restart your phone and try again, and that might fix your problem. And if that doesn't fix your problem, just go to settings and then scroll down until you find apps and then apps again. Now click Facebook and click this one here, storage, and now click clear cache and go to permissions, enable storage. You will find it like that. Just enable it and now just click force stop and go back and try again. Now your problem will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.